Hello, and welcome to Romeo and Juliet, Section 3, Lesson 4, Imagery as the Artwork of Words. Today you will answer questions about Juliet's internal conflict during Act 3, Scene 2, and how specific imagery in the scene is used to reveal this conflict. You will read Act 3, Scene 3, and analyze how the conversation between Romeo and the friar is used to develop a theme. You will add details to your text theme understanding tool, and you will view Where's Romeo by William Hatherell and analyze the way in which an artist's interpretation of a scene reflects the plot and tone of the scene. For this lesson, you will need Hatherell's painting, Where's Romeo?, the text of Romeo and Juliet itself, your reading response journal posted in today's lesson, your annotation reference guide posted in today's lesson, clips from Romeo and Juliet, the fully dramatized audio edition, and your text theme understanding tool posted back in lesson 1-3. Before we get started with this lesson, I want to go over the culminating writing task prompt. What theme is developed in the last scene of Romeo and Juliet? Choose one film version of the play and discuss what choices the director made when creating a film version of this scene. How do these choices enhance or detract from the themes developed in the play? Here are our learning targets for this lesson. Can you determine how imagery is used within Act 3, Scenes 2-3, to represent characters' emotions and internal conflicts? Can you analyze the representation of tone and plot, a key scene in a visual text? You are going to reread lines 79 through 91 of Act 3, Scene 2 from Romeo and Juliet independently. During the reading, you are going to annotate the text for the pairs of images that Juliet uses in these lines. You will use the annotation reference guide and the insert comment function in Google Docs to annotate your text. You will also record important notes in your learning log. I'm also going to pass out a piece of white paper so that you can sketch what you think the scene would look like on screen or on the stage. You will have 15 minutes to complete all of these activities. Now you're going to develop your response to the questions to evaluate the effects of lines 79 through 91 of Act 3, Scene 2 from Romeo and Juliet. You will share your response with the class in Nearpod. You will support your response with evidence from the text. The questions that you will be answering are: what is Juliet's mood at the beginning of the scene? How is imagery used in the scene to reflect Juliet's emotions and internal conflicts? How does it change? You will have 5 minutes to answer these questions in Nearpod.